How are you today, Allison?
Tiny world for treasure. Tiny world.
Oh, really?
What is rare will bring most pleasure.
Yeah?
Raise on high your sparkling glass
Do tell.
to the royal golden lattice. So, what's his name? Signed.
Look at those legs moving. Holy cow, you got some legs going.
Smile.
Look at that.
Carl
Oh.
care of King's Mill Minimum Security Prison.
Yeah? Oh, boo. Oh, look at that face now, eh?
Yeah.
Those are the guys I just met. Today, the
What's going on? Oh, really?
Attorneys for
Nah.
Manufacturing Limited ended with the conviction of the two men for embezzlement. Albert Pollock, the company's president, expressed dismay that the $500,000 may never be recovered.
That's true.
Such a tiny world.
Yeah.
Aw.
Hey, Allison.
Harry and William.
Oh, you can see yourself now, can't you?
Must be looking for it here, in the village. There's $500,000 here somewhere.
You're upside down.
Yeah, that was funny.
Apparently it is. Yeah, you're upside down now. Ah! Now you're the right way. See, even your shirt says,
Aw.
just smile.
Yes, Mr. Jackson.
Aw, you're a cutie, aren't you? Oh yeah, you are. And you know it.
No critiquing your family, lady, because you've got it all.
What are you doing putting those hands up? You want to fight? You want to fight?
Now you learn to fight and keep the guys away, so leave me alone. You're going to have to be a heartbreaker. Yes, you're going to be a heartbreaker.
I'll show them all her baby videos. Yeah. Okay, Mom's gonna take some pictures of you now.
Aw.
Apparently you like that. Yeah. Picture time? Okay, let's do it.